A poem from the mind. When fog densely covers the world, people are unable to see through it. That the fog and the emptiness are different is a meaningless distinction that man makes. Man is the master of this world, but he lives not knowing this. I can only sigh at this pathetic situation. Experiences are what make life. In it, I could not see past my dirtied clothes. My mind was hidden, and so I could not know it. People of the world, listen to my words. That cow standing far out in the field is not a cow. That cow is not a cow, for the cow originally exists within you. You will not find it if you look far. When the winds blew, I would lie in the fields and think about the things that had happened in my life. Life is only full of futility, but I had put so much effort into obeying that futility because I was human. I do not blame it or regret it. I am merely embarrassed of myself for having searched so senselessly.